If your car won't start this winter, you're about to learn 13 simple tricks that'll fix it. And these are mind-blowing hacks that most people have no idea about. I'm talking pennies in a sock to open frozen locks, shaving cream to prevent fog, and a 30-second rule that'll save your engine. Let me show you all 13 right now. No fluff, just 13 winter car tricks that actually work. Some of these sound crazy, but they're based on real science. Let's go. Trick 1. Rubbing alcohol de-icer. Frozen windshield. You're out there scraping for 20 minutes. Here's the better way. Mix 2 parts rubbing alcohol with 1 part water in a spray bottle. Add a tablespoon of dish soap. Shake it up. Spray it on the ice. It melts in 30 seconds. Rubbing alcohol freezes at -173 degrees Fahrenheit. When it hits ice at 15 degrees, the ice doesn't stand a chance. The dish soap prevents it from refreezing and stops new ice from sticking. Keep this bottle in your car all winter. You'll never scrape ice again. One warning, only spray this on glass. Don't use it on your paint because alcohol can damage your clear coat. Trick 2, shaving cream fog prevention. Your windshield fogs up from the inside every morning. Waste time and you can't see. Grab regular shaving cream from your bathroom. Spray it on the inside of your windshield. Wipe it around like you're cleaning the glass. Then buff it off completely with a clean cloth. The glycerin in shaving cream creates an invisible barrier that prevents fog and frost from forming. I tested this myself. Driver's side got shaving cream, passenger side got nothing. After one night at 12 degrees, the passenger side was completely fogged. Driver's side was crystal clear. This lasts about 2 weeks before you need to reapply. Trick 3. Vaseline on battery terminals. Battery terminal? Corrosion is one of the biggest reasons cars won't start in winter. That white crusty stuff you see on battery terminals is acid eating through your connections. Here's how to stop it. Disconnect your battery terminals. Always remove the negative terminal first. Wipe both terminals clean with a rag, then coat them in a thin layer of petroleum jelly. Vaseline works perfect. Reconnect them. The petroleum jelly creates a moisture barrier. Water and acid can't reach the metal, so corrosion can't form. Your battery maintains better contact, which means more reliable starts. I've been doing this for 8 years, never had terminal corrosion once. Trick 4. Keep your gas tank above half full. When your gas tank is half empty in winter, moisture from the air gets inside and condenses. That moisture mixes with your fuel. When temperatures drop, that water freezes in your fuel lines. Frozen fuel lines mean your car won't start. The repair costs $200 to $500 and you're without your car for days. The fix is simple. Never let your tank drop below half full during winter months. The less empty space in your tank, the less room for moisture to get in and freeze. I make it a rule. When my tank hits 50%, I fill up. Haven't had a frozen fuel line in 12 years. Trick 5. Lift your wiper blades overnight. Your wiper blades freeze to your windshield when you park overnight. You turn them on in the morning and the rubber tears right off. Now you need new wipers. That's $40 wasted. Before you park for the night, lift your wiper blades off the glass. Leave them standing up. This prevents them from freezing to the windshield. No tearing, no damage. Your wipers last months longer. Takes 2 seconds and saves you from replacing them multiple times every winter. Trick 6. Silicone spray on door seals. Your rubber door seals freeze to the car frame overnight. You pull the door open and rip, the seal tears. Now you've got wind noise and water leaking into your car. Before winter starts, get a can of silicone spray or WD-40. Wipe down all your rubber door seals with it. This creates a moisture barrier. The rubber can't freeze to the metal frame anymore, takes 5 minutes, costs about $6, protects all your seals for the entire winter. I do this every November, and I've never had a frozen door seal. Trick 7. Cardboard between grill and radiator. Your engine loses 60% of its starting power when temperatures drop below freezing. That's just physics. Here's what helps. Before you park for the night, take a piece of cardboard. An old Amazon box works perfect, and wedge it between your front grille and your radiator. This traps heat from your engine and keeps your battery 15 to 20 degrees warmer overnight. Warmer battery means easier starts in the morning. Critical warning, you have to remove this cardboard before you drive. If you leave it in while driving, your engine can overheat in 15 minutes. Set a phone reminder so you don't forget. I tested this for 30 nights last winter. My car started first try every single time. Trick 8. Emergency candle in your car. If you ever get stranded in winter, your engine won't start, You're stuck on the side of the road, whatever. A single candle can save your life. Keep a large candle and a lighter in your emergency kit if you're stuck and can't run your engine for heat. Light that candle and put it in a metal container on your dashboard. One candle raises the temperature inside your car by 10 to 15 degrees. That's the difference between hypothermia and staying alive. In 2019, a man in North Dakota was stranded for 11 hours in negative 30-degree weather. He had a candle with him. He survived with minor frostbite. Doctors said without that candle, he wouldn't have made it past 4 hours. Your winter emergency kit should have a candle, lighter, blanket, water, granola bars, phone charger, and a small shovel. Keep it in your trunk from November through March. Trick 9. Kitty litter for traction. You get stuck in snow or ice. Your wheels are spinning, but you're going nowhere. Most people panic and call a tow truck. That's $150. Just keep a 10-pound bag of kitty litter in your trunk all winter long. When you're stuck, pour the litter directly under and in front of your drive wheels. The clay granules create instant traction. I've used this to drive out of situations where I thought I'd need professional help. A $6 bag of kitty litter saved me. Plus, the extra weight in your trunk improves your traction while you're driving. If you've got rear-wheel drive, this is essential. One tip: buy clay-based kitty litter, not the crystal kind. Clay litter is rough and grips. Crystal litter is smooth and doesn't work. Trick 10. Switch to synthetic oil. Conventional oil thickens when it gets cold. Thick oil doesn't flow properly through your engine. Poor flow means poor lubrication. Poor lubrication causes engine damage. Switch to synthetic oil before winter. Yet synthetic oil is engineered to stay liquid at temperatures as low as negative 40 degrees. It flows when conventional oil turns into sludge. Better oil flow means better engine protection and longer engine life. It costs about $20 more per oil change, but it prevents thousands of dollars in engine repairs. Your car will also start easier in the cold because the oil isn't thick and resistant. Trick 11. Old floor mats under your car. Road salt destroys your car's undercarriage. It's corrosive and eats through metal over time. Here's a simple protection method. Take your old floor mats, the ones you're about to throw away, and slide them under the engine area before you park in snow. This creates a barrier between the salty snow on the ground and your car's critical components. Your oil pan, catalytic converter, and transmission are all protected. Last winter, my neighbor's oil pan corroded so badly it cracked. Salt had eaten right through it. The repair cost $4,200. My car was parked in the same conditions, but I used the floor mat trick. Zero damage. In spring, just pull the mats out and throw them away. All that corrosive salt is on the mats instead of on your car. Trick 12. Pennies in a sock for frozen locks. Your car door locks freeze solid. You're standing outside yanking on the handle and the lock won't budge. Here's what works. Take 6 to 8 pennies and drop them in a sock. Microwave it for 45 seconds. Press that warm sock against your frozen lock for 10 seconds. The lock opens easily. Copper conducts heat 20 times better than steel. The warmth transfers directly into the lock mechanism without damaging anything. One warning: don't heat it for more than 60 seconds. If the pennies get too hot, they can melt the plastic around your lock housing. I learned that the hard way on a Honda Civic. Cost me $340. Trick 13. The 30-second rule. Here's the most important one. For decades, people have been told to start their car and let it idle for 10 minutes before driving in cold weather. That advice is outdated, and it's actually hurting your engine. Modern fuel-injected engines don't need long warm-up times. When you idle a cold engine, it runs rich, meaning extra fuel gets pumped in but doesn't burn completely. That unburned fuel washes oil off your cylinder walls. No oil on the cylinder walls means metal scraping against metal. You're causing wear every time you do this. A study from Argonne National Laboratory found that idling for more than 30 seconds in cold weather causes more engine wear than just driving gently. Here's what you should actually do. Start your car, wait 30 seconds, then drive gently for the first 5 minutes. That's it. Your engine warms up faster under light load than it does sitting still. Your heater works sooner. You use less fuel, and your engine lasts longer. I switched to this method 6 years ago. My engine has 180,000 miles and runs like new. Those are your 13 simple tricks to protect your car in winter. Pick 3 and use them this week. The rubbing alcohol spray, Vaseline on battery terminals, and keeping your gas tank full work for most people. If this helped you, hit the like button. Subscribe for more car tips. Stay safe out there.